and namaste to my modern healing sanctuary. My name is Vanessa and I am your energy healer. You want to stay on this video today because I'm going to share with you a very powerful breath work exercise to create clarity within your thoughts and clarity and a detoxing effect in your body as well. So it is super powerful. Stay on it. First of all, I will explain the benefits of that breathwork exercise and why I recommended practicing it, and then I will lead you into the practice of that breathwork. And this is the important part to practice, because without the practice, without the consistency in your practice, you will not see any change. So stay on it, watch the full video, lean into the practice. It's going to be powerful and you will directly feel the shift within your mind. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe now if you want to step out of codependency and rise in love. And it is all about unconditional love here. I am going to lead you through that pranayama called Kapalbhati, which is a very, very powerful breathwork exercise to create clarity. And why is clarity so important within your body and within your mind? Because clarity is the base for being able to love unconditionally. When you're not clear in your thoughts, in your mind, if you are lacking awareness, how can you actually love without conditions, without expectations? Therefore, breathwork is a very simple tool. It is a natural tool because our breath is a natural tool we have. So it is very smart to use the breath for your progress and for your practice to love unconditionally. This is why I love the breathing exercise and the pranayama so much. So yeah, clarity is a step one. It is a base for everything. It is a base that you are able to show compassion to others, that you can as well hold other opinions. You're not personally affected because you know very clear what you are standing for, and you are not projecting your insecurities on other people or the people you relate with. So first comes the clarity, then you can create the compassion for others, and then the practice goes into loving unconditionally. Base of clarity. So what happens in the Kapalbhati, the pranayama, or simply called breath work? It is a cleansing breath. So you have the benefit of not just only cleansing your mind and your thought to create a stillness within you, and from that stillness you can really get the clarity of who you truly are in your core when everything breaks away without all the stories. So you're going to realize shift that you're dropping the stories around things happening in your life, about people you hold on to, about yourself. And the other benefit is that you cleanse your body on a physical level. So it has really a detoxing effect for your body. You lead the toxins out of your system, and through that you as well, the third benefit is that you are cleaning your energy field and you are way more clear about where do you want to direct your energy. So these are the benefits of the Kapalbhati Pranayama breathwork exercise I'm going to lead you through. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about that breathwork. It is very intense. I recommend you to incorporate that breathwork exercise for at least a week into your daily routine to see major success and major results in your relationships. You will see that everything flows more in ease, and you realize how you are less affected by the opinion of others, and you're way more in ease in your relationships. Let me know if you commit to that practice at least a week, and let me know your results with it. When is it a good time to practice the Kapalbhati Pranayama breathwork? It is very beneficial when you are in a position right now where you don't feel clear, you have a situation where you don't feel clear right now, you're having a lot of thoughts in your mind currently, you have struggles with clearing your mind. And as well, if you're having a problem with your love partner, in a relationship, with a family member, in your business, and you just feel that fog around you, this exercise is super powerful, and you will see very quick results. What is the Kapalbhati Pranayama breathwork? We are both basically simply forcefully exhalation through our belly. So we are really actively sucking our belly in. This is why we, as well, with that belly tension, we are internally cleaning our system. We are working with our organs together, with our energy system and the breath. It takes maybe a while to get used to that. You are forcefully exhalation through your nose, just so the nose, and the inhalation will happen spontaneously, so you're not really inhalating during that practice. We are simply forcefully exhalating through the nose and sucking the belly in, and this can take you some time to develop that ability to really suck your belly in when you forcefully exhalate. So this is why I recommend take your time and practice this Kapalbhati Pranayama on a regular basis to first of all get your body and your system used to it, and to see greater results. The better you are in the technique, the more and higher cleansing effect you have. But don't overwhelm your system, because it is such a powerful practice. Our breath is our most powerful tool, so be careful, don't overdo it. We are moving today through 3 cycles of Kapalbhati, and we are doing 3 cycles, 20 forceful exhalations. If you feel at any moment you cannot deliver that, just make earlier break. Take your break. It is powerful, and when you start practicing it on your own, you can as well expand that step by step. If you feel like, oh, now I am good with the exhalation through my belly, I know how to suck my belly button in, I know how to guide my breath properly, then you can expand that practice. I'm going to integrate a personal interpretation. We're using our arms in that practice today as well to even increase the intensity of that practice. So I'm guiding you through. It is a complete practice for clarity. As well, we are going to set an intention before the practice, because having an intention for your breathwork exercise makes it again very intentional and goal oriented, so you can directly work with the topic you're currently facing. If it is impatience, if it is a lack of self-trust, then I invite you to set a positive affirmation, so that you're doing the breathwork today with the intention to build the trust in yourself, to gain trust in the world, or to expand your consciousness, to expand your awareness, to become more clear. So I invite you now to find into your comfortable position, so that I can lead you into the practice. I invite you to close your eyes. You can have your legs cross-legged, straight forward, or you sit on your ankles. Roll your shoulders back and down. Place one hand on your belly, the other one on your heart space. And start to breathe into your nose, into your belly, and then into your heart space. And exhale, guide your breath along your spine down. You feel how your chest is sinking down, your belly button is, you suck your belly in. This is a perfect preparation that you connect with your belly already. So you breathe into your belly, into your heart. You prepare for the breathing exercise to be connected with your breath, and breathe out softly through your nose. And you suck your belly in when you breathe out. You breathe all the air out. Maybe you want to help with your hand a little bit to push all the air out. And inhale into your belly, into your chest, and exhale all the way out. I invite you now to set your intention, your specific intention for this breathwork, Kapalbhati Pranayama. I am setting the intention for myself to build trust in myself, to be stable and trustworthy in myself and in others. If you have your intention clear, release your hands, remain your eyes closed. Start to swing your neck from side to side, left to right, right to left. Continue breathing in and out through your nose. And release tension from your neck. If you feel ready, draw full circles with your neck. And breathe in and out through your nose. This is all the preparation for the breath work, which is super important that you connect already with your breath. Connect with your body. You can change the direction. To warm up your system, your energy. And then slowly come to stillness, into center. Take a moment to feel how your body feels right now in that moment. How your neck feels. Your neck is connected to your throat chakra, which stands in for your self-expression, for your creative expression. If you want to, you can put your hands on your neck to get in touch with your throat chakra. And clarity can as well be to speak up clear for your needs, to speak clear with others. That is so important. So we're connecting therefore with our neck up front, and then we are moving to our heart center. We are warming up now our heart, opening our heart. With inhalation, you bow forward. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, open up, bow forward, and exhale, round in your spine. You are preparing now your spine for the breath work exercise. You're breathing in, you're guiding your breath along your spine, and you're moving your spine. Your focus here is on opening up your heart. Open up your heart for yourself, open up your heart for your truth, and open up the heart for others, to be able to connect with others with compassion, love, unconditional love. And you breathe in and out through your nose. You can feel how the breath flows along your spine. And then slowly come to stillness, into center. Take as well here a moment to feel how your body is feeling right now in that moment. Which sensations are there? And before we start into the breathing exercise, a pranayama, start to circle your upper body to connect with your hips, connect with your inner organs. You're giving them here a perfect massage. Keep breathing. And when you lean forward, you remain your open heart, and when you lean backwards, you can round in your spine. And to love unconditionally means as well that you're able to say no in a loving way, in a no with love and in love, not a no to hurt someone. A clear no can be so healthy for you and for others, so we are connecting with that. That you are as well able to say yes with love, yes with a fulfilled heart, and yes in excitement. And we are cutting out the yes which we are just saying for obligated reasons, and you can change the direction, circle in the other direction. Still in the preparation phase for the breathing exercise, and the preparation is super important, so I recommend you not to skip that preparation step, because you are right now connecting with your body, you're right now connecting with each and every body part, and you're waking up your energy slowly and softly. So it is powerful to warm yourself up before we go into the breathing. And slowly come back to center. Observe for a moment how your body feels, which sensation you can feel. Reconnect with your intention for the breath work. We're going to move now in 3 cycles, 3 times, 20 forceful exhalations through the belly to suck our bellies in. And we are going to use our hands for that. So we are making 2 fists, we're crossing our hands, and we bring them down. So this is very powerful to connect with your spine, to connect the breath with the physical movement of the arms, and it will give you like a sense of strength, connection, power, and you feel powerful. And if not, it is a journey. You will feel powerful. So if you don't feel like powerful, you feel maybe weak, you feel like you're struggling in the beginning, please don't beat yourself up. It is a perfect opportunity to practice this breath work furthermore. Okay, so we are going to start the cycle. I show you for once the first how the first breath looks like. We're going to breathe in, and then forcefully exhalation, we bring the hands down. So this is basically one breath, count as one breath, and the arms help as well, that you focus on your belly and you focus on the breathing out. Okay, so I'm going to guide you through 3 rounds, Kapalbhati Pranayama. You can do the practice with closed eyes or open eyes, it is your choice. Inhale, bring your arms up, bring your hands, cross your hands. We're remaining here for a moment. Hold your breath, suck your belly in. We are preparing, and breathe out all the air out. You hold your hands up, and then breathe in for the first forceful exhalation. and pause. Observe, be in silence. This was the first round. Maybe you can already feel the clarity. Maybe you can feel how something opened up within your system. Maybe you can feel a tingling, a detoxing effect within your body, and that is wonderful. We're going to move in the second round, Kapalbhati Pranayama breath work. We're inviting clarity and unconditional love into the practice. Inhale, raise your arms up, hands together, cross your hands, hold your breath, suck your belly in, and breathe all the air out. Inhale for the first forceful exhalation. Pause, stillness, awareness. Observe your body. Observe your mind. Observe the shifts. Be present. Breathe. We are moving into the third and last round for this daily practice. I invite you to invite clarity and unconditional love into your life, into your body, into your mind. Inhale, bring your hands up, cross your hands, suck your belly in, hold your breath, and exhale all the air out. Inhale for the first forceful exhalation and start. Pause and sit in silence. Observe your mind, your thoughts, your body. Observe the clarity and sink in that feeling of clarity, being clear, knowing what you want, what you stand in for. Inhale, raise your arms up. Stick your fingers together, palms up to the sky, stretch your spine, and exhale, bring your hands forward, round on your spine. Inhale, stretch. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, stretch. And exhale. We're coming into a twist. Bring your left hand on your knee. Look over your right shoulder to the back. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, hands to your heart. Namaste. We're going to chant 3 Om and 3 Shanti to the end. To end this practice in alignment with our soul mission and to bring peace into us. Shanti means peace. Peace within us, peace for the world, and peace to the nature. I invite you to chant with me and take a deep inhalation for the first Om. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you for being here. I'm sending the highest blessings to you and your journey, to everything what is connected with you and your surrounding, seen and unseen. Thank you for being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so to take your power back and rise in love in your life. And if you want to go deeper into work, and if you would like to work on that physical level with me 101, send me a message. If you are looking to have a numerology reading with me to gain that inner clarity on more a level of the mind, please do so as well. Book a reading. Link is in the comment box below.